make a paper airplane. The first step is you take one piece of paper and fold it in half. The next step is you take the top corners and fold them into triangles right on the line where you split your paper when you fold it. The third step is to fold that together and taking extra pieces, any pieces of paper along the line, and fold it like that, and then pull them out like that, so the wings are ready. And then the last step is to go to a very high place and fly your airplane, and hopefully it will fly far.